Well, getting a real late start today. I don't even know what time it is, but that video last night stressed me out because it won't upload. Well, it will, it's just taking a while. But yeah, I'm not sure of the plan. Just in the parking lot here now, Boulder Mountain as usual. Going out with a couple guys off of Instagram. Never met them before, talked to them like once. You know, it's always fun riding with your friends and whatnot, but it's also good to get out there and meet some new people. So that's what we're gonna do today. No idea if they could ride or not, but I'm sure it'll be a good day either way.
Are you signing autographs in the parking lot? Like, I'd really appreciate one. If you could get me an autograph, that'd be wicked awesome.
Come on.
Come on. Oh, well, we know she's March Madness, kids, and the party's over. The pow's gone. But March 10th, the big iron shootout might happen. Come on.
All right, guys, you want to introduce yourselves and tell me what you're riding?
Yeah, what up? My name's Ehkeh. Flew from this small town of Cujuac, Quebec. One way in, one way out by plane. So, you know, I just save up all year round just to get my ass over here for about a month or so each year. And this year's my second year.
Yes. Tommy from St. Gabriel de Brandon, driving 146, my first time in backcountry. Pretty happy, gonna love it.
Let's see what kind of trouble we could get you into.
Lots of trouble.
All right, guys, what do you think? Should we take them into some nice steep and deep trees, or should we take it easy on the flesh blood here? We'll probably just start off at a couple cub walks, see how they do. The guy on the 146 is a bit bigger of a guy, so he's definitely not going to be going anywhere too crazy with that. But that's all right. We'll have fun riding with these guys, and I'm sure we'll have a few stucks. Oh. A little bit steep of a hill for that 146 to start on. There you go. I don't think I'm giving any ski pulls today. Here, I'll give you a hand. You don't really want to see the cord there? Yeah, I think that looks pretty good there, eh? I don't think your helmet's doing much good not done up.
I know.
Alright, we'll go off trail here. Snow is quite hard. He's gonna wheelie up over me. Woo. Oh, in the tree a little bit there. No, I'll probably just roll it over that way.
It's so easy on video.
You can just go down and loop around that way.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, I'll follow you wherever. One more for good measure. It's kind of neat going out with guys like this that don't really ride. Well, I mean, the one guy at least doesn't ride on the 146. First time out here, kind of just getting into snowmobiles. Where did he go? Oh, he's upside down.
I gotta learn, man.
That's all right. Just take your time and.
I feel sorry for you guys.
No, well, no. I'd say this is like 90% of sledders. This is, you know, reality.
Bro, it's so hard. It's more than I expect. Like Ehkeh was telling me, yeah, you went trail before, but you'll see in snow, yeah?
Yeah.
3 flip in like a minute and 15 seconds.
Ah, we'll have a flip counter going in the YouTube video. Well, did he end up upside down again? I don't hear him. Hey, that one's too big, eh?
What?
The tree.
Not even. Huh?
Might want to move your helmet and stuff. I need to get out with guys like this that don't really ride much. I mean, the one guy's totally new to riding, and I don't know how many days of riding the other guy gets in a year, but not as much as me. But yeah, it's kind of cool. sometimes I forget what it's like to not ride as much as me and, you know, start off fresh. Because I'll go places and then I'll think, oh, that was easy. And then, you know, for some people it's just really not that easy. There's nothing wrong with that. Everyone's got to start somewhere. But sometimes you kind of forget what it really is like starting out fresh. Because I never really had to start out fresh. I've just been riding my whole life. But yeah, when I was around 10 or so, I don't really know what age, but my dad took us through all the canoe portages in Ontario on our snowmobiles, and we'd, you know, bushwhack through absolute crap to get places, and that would just be our days. That was kind of how my off-trail riding started. I don't know if that's why I'm a bit better and more interested in tree riding than other stuff, but gotta turn these grips down. Hands are on fire. But you know, these guys are playing just below me and really mellow stuff. And then I could go up in the trees here for a minute and have some fun. And then I'll go back down here, see how they're making out. See if maybe Tommy's upside down. Give him a hand. Huh? Did you look at the tree and then you hesitated?
Yeah. I stopped right before. I shouldn't stop. I should have hit it or.
Should have hit it. Yeah. Just commitment. Right through. Do you have high altitude clutching in that sled?
No, I just have the cheek turned to 5 level.
Yeah, so you're not going to rev like what you should be. Saw that one coming. That's why I started recording.
Bro, sorry, man. I mean, I'm laughing about like...
Oh, it's all part of the fun. Don't worry, I'll get you back.
Yeah, no worries.
Ready for your next getting unstuck lesson?
Yeah.
So since the snowmobile's already leaned over a bit to the right here.
You slide on the side?
Yeah, what we'll do, we'll start it up. So throttle's always your friend, and that's even true when you're getting unstuck. So if you give it throttle while you pull over, it helps break the track free out of the snow.
Okay, that's all you should hold your hole.
And now you're now you're halfway there, and you don't have to dig out the track.
Okay, thanks, man.
Alright, we'll go check on Ehkeh up here. I think I see some snow flying out of a tree. Looks like you almost got out before I showed up.
Yeah, almost.
I'd say we could like find some open meadows and stuff, but everything's gonna be so tracked out on Boulder right now that
Everything is stressed out. I don't mind, like, this is sick for me.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm just worried about Buddy, but you know.
He'll be alright. He's having fun. He's got a positive attitude, so. Whoopsie. I saw nothing.
Huh?
I didn't see it.
Yeah, right. I get stuck every like 10 meters. Around.
You can make it 15 this time.
Yeah, if I go down, I can make it 35.
Ah, there you go. Do you think you're gonna go? Yeah, you didn't make it 35 meters. You only made it 1 meter.
Not even half of it, bro.
You're strong. Just try to pull a ski.
Yeah? Alright.
Hey, imagine if the snow was deep. Then you'd really be...
I think when it's like powder snow, it's better, no?
It can be easier.
That's what I think, but I don't know.
In stuff like this, it would be harder. But in the open areas, it'd be easier and more fun.
That's exactly what I meant.
I meant go that way. I don't know if the ski tip is supposed to be almost touching the side panel, but it's a good show, good show. Tommy was saying Ehkeh was excited to ride with me and he wants me to go do some tree lines with him, so we'll follow him up here and have some fun. Looks like you might have ended up in a tree. Uh-oh!
There's prime parking here. I couldn't take it.
There's prime parking here. I couldn't resist.
Yeah, no, nobody's gonna take this spot from me, that's for sure. Ehkeh said he was jealous of Tommy getting stuck, so he decided to do it himself. But where is he? Is this a fresh? No, that's an old track. There he is. Display, look at me, I'm not stuck.
Quite the hole you had yourself there.
Yeah, I just wanted to do an involuntary depth check with my track, you know?
Guess we'll go find Tommy and see how big of a crater he's got himself dug. I mean, I don't know that he's actually stuck, but everyone falls off the horse once in a while. Tommy, how you making out? Where are you from where we last saw you? Like where you were stuck in the tree?
I went all the way down to the flat, and then I went to my left.
Okay, I'm on the flat. I think I know where you are. Look for tracks here. I see one track that looks pretty good. We'll follow this one here. And look where the track goes to. So what'd you say we got here, Ehkeh?
We got some dried caribou from my buddy Benjamin, and then my mom cut it up, dried it up, got it ready for my trip.
Back from where?
Back from Kuujjuaq. Yeah, this stuff will keep you warm. Lucky I didn't bring out the beluga sausage.
We're back on the trail here now. I'm not sure what we're doing. I don't know if we're going down or... Tommy just wants to hang out on the trail and me and Ehkeh will ride a little bit more. I think Ehkeh wants to ride a little more. Wheelie here. Oh, he's getting his phone out. Better make it a good one. Try once more. that, guess we'll head her down. Alright guys, that's it for today. Another awesome day out there. As always, thanks for watching. It's kind of cool how much our videos change from day to day here. You know, one day we're riding with pro top tier athletes. The next day we're riding with average riders or greenhorns. And you know, it's pretty cool that we just get to ride with every skill level, all different kinds of people. And it's great. I love it. Anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow. I think we're headed out with Dallas. It's always a good time with Dallas. I think we're gonna do some exploring. There's a zone he wants to get into. There's always a zone he wants to get into. But yeah, should be interesting. We'll see you tomorrow.